Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing on board one of our beautiful pre-owned boats. This is a 2016 Sea Ray 290 SDX. This boat, if you guys watch this video, watch it whirl around, has some really unique features that make it a treat. It starts at the back of this boat. This has one of the optional rear lounger setups that give you actual individual loungers. In addition, with this boat being a stern drive, you've got the manual sun pad or swim step that goes down into the water. A really nice treat on this boat. And this is the first of the new style fabric that Sea Ray did. So this is a lot less sticky on your skin. The detail is beautiful. And as you can see, on a boat that's almost ready to be 4 years old, it's gorgeous. Of course, this has their little wet bar setup with a sink in the far corner and a well thought out garbage can down below, and seating galore. This is the start of the flip-flop loungers that just give you much more of an entertainment space. This boat is optioned with infinity vinyl inside, sea deck on the rear swim deck. It has the rear table, a really nice treat, give you a small dinette back there, as well as just a whole bunch of options throughout. A windlass, something we love down here in South Florida. This boat has a Raymarine in the dash as well. Just a nice treat. Right nestled in the middle of your analog gauges are a great GPS. You've got tracks, just tells you where you're going. And of course, this is a 29 from Sea Ray. So this boat has yacht certification, which means you don't have a capacity limit. For those of you used to your pontoons, some other boats you're trying to put more people on, this boat has you completely covered. And you see my water in one of the cup holders. That's one of 14 on this boat. It does have a day head, the ability to close off the front if you want to run through the winter. Guys, this is our 2016 Sea Ray 290 Sundeck, and this is a buy if you want to party and be on the sandbar, entertain your family. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota. If you have questions about this boat in particular, give us a call. Thanks.